Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the world of AI agents. Imagine having a team of super smart assistants working tirelessly to complete any task you throw at them. That's what AI agents are all about. They're like the Swiss Army knives of the digital world, ready to tackle anything from booking appointments to writing code. These agents are powered by artificial intelligence, which means they can learn and adapt over time. They use special tools to interact with the real world and get things done. And the best part, you get to be the boss, giving them instructions and watching them work their magic. So, are you ready to unlock the power of AI agents and become a master delegator? Let's dive in and explore this exciting world together. Before we build our AI dream team, let's clarify some key concepts. First up, we have the agents themselves. Think of them as the brains of the operation. They receive your instructions and figure out the best way to get the job done. Next, we have tools. These are the hands and feet of our agents, allowing them to interact with the world around them. Tools can be anything from web browsers and calculators to code interpreters and image generators. Finally, we have delegation. This is where you, the boss, come in. You tell your agents what you want to achieve and they handle the rest using the right tools for the job. It's like having a team of experts at your beck and call. Now let's build our AI team. Imagine you want to create a website. Instead of doing it yourself, you can delegate this task to an AI agent. First, you'd give it clear instructions like create a website about space exploration with a blog and a contact form. The agent would then spring into action using tools like web design software, image generators, and content creation tools to build your website. It might even use a code interpreter to add some fancy features. This step-by-step process makes it easy to break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. And as your agents complete more tasks, they learn and become even more efficient over time. Section 4, the power of modularity. Building a flexible and scalable system. One of the coolest things about AI agents is their modular design. This means you can easily swap out or upgrade different components without affecting the entire system. Think of it like building with Legos. You can rearrange the blocks to create something new whenever you want. This flexibility allows you to tailor your AI team to your specific needs. Need help with writing? Add a language processing tool. Want to analyze data? Bring in a machine learning algorithm. The possibilities are endless. This modular approach also makes the system incredibly scalable. You can start with a small team of agents and gradually add more as your needs grow. It's like having a team of tireless assistants who are always ready to take on more responsibility. Section 5, putting it all together from user input to task completion. Let's recap the entire process. You, the user, provide instructions to an AI agent. The agent then breaks down the task into smaller steps and selects the appropriate tools to complete each step. For example, if you ask your agent to write a poem about the ocean, it might use a language model to generate the text, a rhyming dictionary to find suitable words, and a text editor to format the poem. Throughout this process, the agent uses its knowledge and learning capabilities to optimize its performance and deliver the best possible results. And as you continue to interact with your AI team, they'll learn your preferences and become even more helpful over time. Now, it's your turn. Try explaining the concept of AI agents and their tools in your own words. Remember, the best way to learn is by teaching.